Hello viewers, welcome to my class Learn with Roz. Today in this video, I will be discussing the poem Fire and Ice by Robert Frost, an American poet. But before I move on to the poem, just a word of advice. In order to comprehend or understand a text better, it is always advisable to read about the background of a poet or an author, as mostly their works are reflections of their life experiences. Now let's move on to the poem Fire and Ice. As the name suggests, fire and ice, we all know, are very different in nature. But there is one commonality between both. They both are greatly capable of causing destruction. Let's find out as we read the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. This beautiful short poem poses a question about the end of the world. What could be the instrument that would bring about the end of the world? Would it be fire or ice? This is the debate. In the first stanza, Frost introduces us to the argument between two groups of people. One group believes that the end of the world will be brought about by fire, while the other group believes that ice also has similar destructive power. Fire and ice here in the poem have been used metaphorically for emotions, fiery emotions like desire and passion. And ice symbolizes cold emotions like intolerance, hatred, insensitivity. In the last two lines, we see that Frost expresses his opinion and speaks in favor of the group who believes that fire will cause the destruction of the world. And his opinion is based on his personal experience of witnessing the extreme desire in people, the desire for power, which gives rise to aggression and ultimately violence. In the second stanza, the poet observes that if the world had to perish twice or be destroyed twice, then his experience of observing the extent of hatred among people makes him believe that cold emotions such as insensitivity and intolerance are born out of hatred, which is enough to bring an end to the world. Though fire and ice are very different in nature, they both have equally destructive powers. This poem, which was written many years ago, still has great relevance in the present day scenario. Man's desire for power and control over the world has led to hatred and mass intolerance even today. Man has become insensitive towards the consequences of his destructive actions. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.